Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDC from Bitmart to your Coinbase wallet. If you're new to crypto, USDC is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a safe and reliable option for transfers. This process is essential for managing your assets across exchanges, and I'll walk you through it step by step, based on the latest practices as of 2025. Before we start, make sure you have a verified account on both Bitmart and Coinbase Wallet, and that you have some USDC in your Bitmart wallet. Also, double-check that you're withdrawing to the correct wallet address to avoid any losses. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First, log in to your Bitmart account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funds section, usually found in the main menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Find USDC and click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, select the Withdraw button for USDC. You'll be prompted to enter the destination address, which is your Coinbase wallet address. To get this, open your Coinbase wallet app or website, go to your wallet settings, and copy the USDC specific address. Paste it into the Bitmart withdrawal form, and don't forget to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Bitmart might ask for a network confirmation, like ERC20 for USDC, so make sure it matches what Coinbase uses. Now, review all the details carefully: amount, address, and fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once approved, your withdrawal will be processed, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After that, head over to your Coinbase wallet and refresh it to see your USDC arrive. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. Remember, always keep an eye on transaction fees and use reputable exchanges to minimize risks. That's it for this tutorial. Withdrawing USDC is a breeze once you know the steps, and it puts you in control of your crypto. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.